Are the barbershops closed and you need a haircut? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to trim your hair from home with the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000. Stick around. What's up guys, I'm Paul D'Onofrio back with you from Groom Reviews. We're getting you comfortable, confident, and clean in grooming. On this channel, we're bringing you everyday grooming product reviews. So if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and make sure to hit that notification bell to stay on top of all of our latest videos. You can also check us out on our website at groomreviews.com. I hope all of you are safe out there in the world, wherever you might be. I know these are difficult times we're all going through, but remember, we're in this together, and I wanted to bring you this video to help you guys out. Now, as most of us are living in quarantine in our homes, we may have come to find out that our hair is growing a bit long as the days pass and the barber shops are closed. So that leaves us with little option other than to have someone in our family maybe cut our hair or cut our hair ourselves. Now, cutting our own hair is definitely intimidating. It's intimidating to myself. I know some barbers out there that won't even cut their own hair, but the good news is that while we're all in self-isolation, we don't really have to see anybody. So we can actually practice on ourselves, see what happens. If we mess up, no big deal. Now, from looking on Amazon, I can tell a lot of people right now are going online and looking for that dedicated hair clipper with the open and close lever that's mostly used in barbershops for fading your hair. A lot of them are sold out. There's not many, dedicated hair trimmers left. And a lot of them that are left say, 2 to 3 weeks to get. Now, in this case, I think the most convenient thing for you guys out there is to see what you have in your house, like I said, and I think a lot of you have this Multigroom 7000. But in addition to that, this is the perfect all-in-one device. It's good for your hair, you can use it on the beard, and it's also a body groomer. So while we're home right now, all of our hair is going to be growing in all these places, and we're going to need something to use all over our entire body. In addition, it does not have a power cord that has to be attached to an outlet. And a lot of people aren't used to that. Once they get these, like a wall clipper or something, you're gonna have to plug it in, and that's how you're using it. Now, if you take a look at the guards that come with this Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000, you're gonna see that there's 4 hair guards that are 16 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 9 millimeter, and 4 millimeter. But you're also gonna get those beard guards in there that can be used interchangeably on the hair. So you have those that are in 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, millimeter incremental setting. With that, you have enough, differences in there to actually fade the hair in a certain way, if you use them correctly going through. So for me going in and testing this out, I want to do it as if this is all we have. Whatever comes with the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000, that's what we're going to use. We're not going to use any, scissors or combs or whatever. We're just thinking, hey, if we just took this straight out of the box and this is all we had in our house, what could we do with it? Can we cut our hair? Can we cut it decent? What's it gonna look like? So right now, let's jump in. We'll see what this Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 can do. I'll put the different comb attachments that I'm using up on the screen as I go. We'll see what happens. Wish me luck, and I'll see you guys on the other side. right, guys, so there you go. That was the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 at-home haircut without going to a barber, and I think it turned out pretty good. So for those of you out there who are at home right now in quarantine, who may have this on hand, or those who are just looking to purchase this off Amazon and maybe it's available, this is definitely a great product to just go in there and test your hair out right now. I mean, there's nobody who's gonna see what's happening except for you and maybe someone else who lives with you. But like I said earlier, we're all learning, we're all going through this together. Make some mistakes, test out the product, see what you can do, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. I wish you all the best. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you next time.